Amtrak says it's nice to hear Elmer's talk to the new guys. It's okay to be cheap. So many times watching these live videos, the new guys get priced out of the hobby.
Oh, there's tons of cheap stuff behind me, guys. Tons of it. And you know what? When someone comes over and they need something, I just give it to them, right? You know, you need, oh, here, take it. You know, I got plenty of it. Take some. You know, I'd rather it go with someone that needs it, and they learn something from it, right?
Yep.
I don't really care about the price. So.
And I think it's not so much being cheap, but I like to. Well, my kids call me cheap, but
I'll call you cheap.
it's more of a it's frugal, and frugal is different than cheap. It just, you know, you want to spend your money wisely, and there's some things that it's good to invest in, and there's some things that you can get by with. I don't want to say skimping, but just you know, being cheap and
making it work, right? Sometimes you just got to make it work.
Yeah, exactly. And I'll, you know, like there's something, you know, well, you know, if I'm prototyping something or playing around with something, you know, we'll find whatever scraps I can get and cobble something together. If it's, you know, if it's something that needs to last, then, or really, or where performance is an issue, then then we look at spending money wisely, you know, and not going for the latest shiny thing or so. Yeah, you know, I'm on my second or my third HF transceiver in 23 years. So
oh God, I've gone through that in 7. And that's stuff.
And my first one I had for 17. So
right, I'm not that way. I'm a little.
So
my name is Joe, and I'm a radioholic. I have a problem. I also have other collections too that I have a problem.
Oh,
not that I want help. I just have a problem. Just leave me be. I'm happy. This is my happy place.
Right, reminds me of the folks that stress over getting the exact right antenna and the antenna wire to start with. I think a lot of people starting out end up in this analysis paralysis, where you just, you know, you can't make a decision because you've just got too much information in front of you.
Right.
And I always, when it's just starting out, just, you know, get yourself on the air, get yourself a nice antenna that it doesn't have to be a fancy one, VHF, UHF, you know, maybe like one of my J-pole antennas.
I know that sells those.
You know, because they work well. So and they'll get you on the air, which is important. And then from there you can just think of everything.
How that little crawler came up down there with your website. It's
my producer must. Yeah, my producer must have done that. So
thanks, Christine.
So, you know, it gets you on the air, and it's a building block as you kind of progress. Thank you so much for the questions. If you keep sending them, we'll keep answering them. Feel free to leave your questions and comments down in the comment area below. I'll filter through them, and who knows, yours may end up on our next Your Questions Answered live stream. Our Q&A live streams happen on the first Thursday of the month, starting at 7:00 p.m. Central Time. I hope to see you there. For more articles and information, along with a full line of VHF and UHF antennas for sale, please check out my website at www.jpole-antenna.com. Your support of this channel drives the production of future videos. Check us out on Patreon. Patrons gain access to exclusive content, and our patrons help keep the mission alive. That's over on patreon.com/KB9VBR Antennas. Well, give us that thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if it's your first time here. That's your best way to be notified when a new video is released. I'm Michael, KB9VBR. Have a great day, and 73.